Bybit Review 2025 fees, security, and trading features explained. Looking for a reliable crypto exchange in 2025? Today, I'll walk you through Bybit, one of the most used platforms in the world. Let's explore its features, strengths, and also a few limitations. 1. User interface and experience. Bybit offers a clean, intuitive interface that suits both beginners and advanced traders. Signing up is quick, and the mobile app is smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate. 2. Supported cryptocurrencies. Bybit supports over 400 cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and emerging altcoins. It's a solid choice if you want variety in your trading portfolio. 3. Types of trading. Bybit allows spot trading, derivatives with up to 100x leverage, copy trading, automated grid trading, all with good liquidity and competitive spreads. 4. Security and regulation. Bybit operates offshore and isn't regulated in the US or EU like many other global exchanges, but it's known for solid security and a strong track record. Cold wallet storage for 100% of user funds, two-factor authentication, and anti-phishing tools. Still, always be aware of the risks when trading crypto. 5. Affiliate bonus and promotions. Using my affiliate link below, you can claim welcome bonuses based on your first deposit, sometimes worth hundreds of dollars. A great boost if you're just getting started. Let me know in the comments if you're already using Bybit or have any questions. Subscribe for more crypto content coming soon.